Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make sheet pan quesadillas. This incredibly simple method lets you feed a hungry crowd without a mountain of dishes. It's perfect for busy weeknights or casual gatherings, ensuring every quesadilla is golden brown and deliciously cheesy. You'll love how easy it is to assemble and bake, making meal prep a breeze. Get ready to transform your dinner routine with this fantastic recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 12 large flour tortillas, which are perfect for covering a standard sheet pan. For the filling, grab 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like a sharp cheddar or a melty Monterey Jack. Also, prepare 2 cups of cooked fillings, such as seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or black beans, ensuring they are ready to go. Now, let's assemble and bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a large sheet pan, then arrange your tortillas, overlapping them slightly to create a continuous base. Spread your cheese and fillings evenly over the tortillas, leaving a small border. Fold the overlapping edges over the filling, then top with a few more tortillas. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown and perfectly crispy. Once baked, carefully remove the sheet pan quesadilla from the oven. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing it into individual portions, like a pizza. Serve these delicious quesadillas with your favorite toppings, such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. They are fantastic for sharing and incredibly versatile. And hey, before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.